My friends, today I want to do a little Coach May bag review. As you might know, I love Coach and this new handbag silhouette is really getting me hot under the collar. Cool, casual and totally in command, our slouchy May bag elevates your everyday. Finished with our signature hardware, the Go With Everything style is crafted of soft pebble leather. It features a convenient exterior pocket, easy flap front magnetic closure and a roomy open compartment with multi-function pockets for maximum organization. Attach the adjustable strap for versatile crossbody wear. Coach May bag color and design options. This Coach May bag comes in a selection of colorways: black, white, brown, tan, navy and blush pink. All colorways come with brass hardware and is made from a beautiful grainy pebble leather. 3 ways to wear. The Coach May bag can be worn as a short-length shoulder bag with a shorter shoulder strap, or you can leave the shorter shoulder strap to hang down and you can attach the detachable long shoulder strap and wear this bag as either a longer length shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Coach love giving us options of how to wear their bags and I love it. What fits inside the Coach May bag? The Coach May bag measures around 11.5 inches wide by just over 8 inches tall and almost 5 inches deep, so this is what I would describe as a mid-size handbag. It's also a very slouchy bag which helps you squeeze more in, and it has just one main section, which again, is very helpful for fitting more inside. Is Coach leather quality good? Coach always use amazing quality leather, but in my opinion, the grainy pebble leather which the Coach May bag is made from is the best quality leather that Coach use. It's hard wearing, thick, beautiful and fabulous. Coach May shoulder bag review. To me, the Coach May bag is the big sister of the Coach Tabby bag. She's beautiful, chic and elegant. However, she's a little more grown up. She has a few more responsibilities and she wants a little less color in her wardrobe and a little more space in her handbag. Do you know what I mean? She has a lot of the same details of the Coach Tabby bag, the same double strap with multiple ways to wear, the flap style bag and of course, the stunning brass C-clasp hardware. However, she's more of a mid-sized bag, a little more practical and a little more mature. You could wear her to pick the kids up from school, to get your Waitrose groceries or to the office. The Coach May bag would also be a great office commuter bag as she fits a lot more inside, like snacks, phone charger, book and iPad mini. Whereas the Tabby bag you have to be a little more compact with your travel kit. One thing I love about the May bag is the leather. She's made out of my favorite of all the Coach leathers, a stunning grainy pebble leather. In my opinion it's the best quality and lasts the best. I love the thickness of it, the durability and the equestrian feel it has. It's so beautiful.